guys, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Lindsay.
And welcome to our world.
Welcome to our Around the World tour series. This is the first video.
We're going to be tasting snacks around the world. And the first one we're going to try is Fentamin's Rose Lemonade. We're going to be starting with the drinks first.
Wow, that's exciting. I've never had rose lemonade. Have you?
No, looks really pretty.
What is pink lemonade usually?
Not sure. Like strawberry?
Oh, yeah.
Here you open it. We came prepared with little cups this time. Ooh, it's fizzy.
Ooh, it's bubbly. I feel like it's one of those non-alcoholic champagnes.
It does smell like that. It smells like champagne.
Wow. Okay. Cheers.
But wait. Let's see if it has any alcohol in it. No.
No, it smells like seltzer water or something. Or sparkling water.
What?
Isn't that what it is?
It says 7% juice. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is from the UK, if I didn't mention that.
Cheers. Actually,
tastes like champagne.
To me, it kind of tastes like pickles.
Tastes like an alcoholic beverage, in my opinion.
Ooh. Botanically brewed, exquisitely crafted. Oh, it's crafted. Uh-oh. Oh, it's carbonated water.
That's interesting.
It says carbonated water, beet sugar, lemon juice concentrate, glucose syrup, fermented ginger root extract.
That's probably what we're tasting. The fermented beet juice.
Pear juice concentrate, tartic acid, citric acid color, red cabbage extract, Bulgarian rose oil. Interesting. Okay.
It kind of reminds me of kombucha too, a little bit.
I'm not a fan. I give it a 1.
I like it. I give it a 4.5 probably.
Okay. The next drink is Fonta Mandarin from the Ukraine. It's from Ukraine. Ooh, it's really fizzy. Okay.
That doesn't smell like Sunkist. I expected it to smell like...
Definitely smells orangey.
Like a different kind of orange.
Cheers. It's kind of flat tasting, though.
It tastes kind of bitter. Like a bitter orange.
It's really fizzy, but in the taste, it's flat. I don't understand that. I think that's a 1 also for me.
Yeah, I think I'll give it a 1. The next one we're gonna try is the Lychee Fanta from Malaysia.
Wow. Smells like grapefruit to me.
Ooh. It smells like grapefruit combined with lychee.
I'm kind of scared. I've tried lychee fruit at an Asian cuisine restaurant before, so. I don't know what to think of that.
It tastes like it has fake sugar. Like fake sweetener. I don't like that. I don't like it.
I don't even think it gets a 1. Maybe a 0 for me.
Yeah.
or a
The
negative
smell was
something.
very nice, but the taste...
unpleasant.
No.
Okay, the next one is Mountain Dew Blue Shock, also from Malaysia. I hope this one's good.
Ooh, it has a really nice color to it. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Really nice. Looks like the waters in the Bahamas.
Smell it. It smells like berry.
It does taste like berry too.
It tastes a little bit like
blue raspberry kind of, but not so.
What is that one called? Do we have this? We have a is it Mountain Dew?
Maybe
I think we have a Mountain Dew that's blue.
Big
or purple.
blue. Like, I think it tastes like Big Blue.
But there's a Mountain Dew that's blue or purple, and I forgot what it's called. Voltage. Is that what this is supposed to be? It tastes kind of familiar.
Tastes like Big Blue to me.
A one. Not fantastic for me.
Yeah. It was maybe a 2 for me.
Not to chips.
Now we're moving on to chips. The first chip we're gonna try is the Cheetos Crunchos cheese and ham toast flavor. And this is from Poland.
Interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
I hope it's good.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let's see.
It has a very strong cheese smell, like real cheese. I definitely taste the ham.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. I like them. I think I'd give it a 4. They're pretty like they're edible to me. I could eat them the whole bag.
The first initial taste is kind of off-putting to me, but then after you swallow it, I think it gets better. I think I'll give it like a 2 maybe.
Okay.
I really don't like ham, so it tastes
so you
like
can
ham.
definitely taste the ham, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next we have the peanut butter flavor Cheetos, and these came from Israel. Chester looks really cool in his jacket and mountain bike.
Yeah, he does.
They sure know how to make him look cool there. Okay.
That's weird.
Ooh.
Okay.
They have a weird feel, like they feel different. Ooh. They do taste like peanut butter. Not bad.
It don't taste like peanut butter to me.
I get the peanut butter flavor. It kind of tastes like you're eating a cracker with peanut butter on it.
I don't get peanut butter at all. Kind of tastes like cardboard to me.
Wow. Maybe a 2.5 for me. What do you think?
I think maybe a 0. Okay. Maybe this one will be better. The ketchup flavored Cheetos, also from Israel.
He looks really cool on that one too. He's playing a guitar. Wow.
And if you're from any of these countries and we happen to not like it, it's no offense to you or your country. Just personal preference.
Also not sponsored by any companies.
That smells like vinegar.
Are we sure this isn't vinegar flavor? Oh my gosh. It doesn't smell like ketchup or tomato at all. Also, these are in the paw shapes.
Oh, yeah.
Which this one's broken, but you get the picture.
Oh, that's not ketchup.
That's weird. I don't know what that is, but... Mm-mm.
No.
-3.
I think I give it -1. Sorry. But I don't really like it.
Next, we are going to Taiwan with these Cardina taro chips. Made from taro root. Yes, the bag is very beautiful.
Like a nice purple color.
The color, there you go. The color is a lot better than it's showing up on the screen. Maybe you can see it better now. Wow. Got a lot of air in there.
Yeah.
It's mostly air. Look really pretty though.
Yeah, they do. They remind me of... What did they remind me of?
To me, they taste like a salty nut. Some kind of nut. Like a slivered almond or something. And it's salty.
Oh, yeah. It's really, really thin. Like a slivered almond.
So maybe if you really like almonds, cashews, peanuts, those kind of thing,
Yeah,
you would like
tastes
these.
like a cashew.
I personally don't like those, so
What is a taro?
it's a root.
Oh.
I give it a 0, in my opinion. I don't really like nuts,
I
almonds.
think I would give it a 4, probably. I like nuts, so.
Okay.
Okay. The next one we're gonna try is Lay's Kyushu Seaweed from
Taiwan. They put a lot of air in the chips from other countries.
Okay.
Some of these bags are mostly air. Okay. Ooh. It almost looks like a sour cream and onion.
Yeah, it does.
Or like a ranch chip. That definitely tastes like seaweed.
Yeah.
I don't like seaweed, so I'm not
I
a
like
fan.
seaweed. That's pretty good. I'll give it a 5.
-3. I'm sorry. I don't like seaweed.
What's the next one?
Next we have these mini Cheetos shots, corn flavor, and they come from Turkey. Come in a little package. Kind of like corn nuts.
Yeah,
That's scary.
Show them what they look like.
So they actually look like little pieces of corn. Whoa.
Like little corn kernels.
Wow.
I'm gonna just eat little one.
Yeah.
One little one.
Actually, almost tastes like a corn cereal. Like a Kix.
It has the texture of like a Cheeto puff.
Wow.
But
it's not that
just
bad.
Like just regular corn flavor. Like,
I'm getting a Kix cereal taste from that.
it's okay.
But a little salty, you know,
Yeah.
because it's supposed to be savory.
It's nice, but I think I would give it maybe a 3 because the flavor's kind of just bland.
2 for me.
And then the last chip flavor we're going to try is the yogurt and seasonal greens from Turkey. And these look a lot like our sour cream and onion flavor. So I wonder if it's their version of that.
It sounds like it because
And it smells
the yogurt
like
would
that.
be like sour cream.
It smells like that too.
I love sour cream and onion Lay's chips, so if these taste like that, they're gonna get a high rank for me.
Yeah, it smells like it. Yeah, but
it's slightly different, but
not in a bad way.
Not very much.
It's kind of like a stronger, like seasoning. Like if they added an extra layer of sour cream and onion.
I think I get a little tang from the yogurt flavor.
I like
Not like a big difference, but like maybe a background. Looks great.
I give it a 5+. Very good.
5.
Very good.
If we ever go to Turkey, I'm getting these. I'll feel like I'm at home.
Yeah.
Sour cream and onion is definitely one of my favorite chips. Now we're going to be tasting the sweets that we found. These are Ritz Bit Sandwiches S'mores, and they come from Canada. These look really good.
Yeah, they do. I've always wanted to go to Canada.
Smell it.
You can really smell
They smell like they have
marshmallow.
a graham cookie instead of a cracker. Oh, they do. They have a graham cookie.
One right there.
Always do that. And they look like this inside. Those are so good.
Very good. 5. Definitely a 5.
I would go to Canada just to get these. Fantastic. 5.
With a glass of milk would be so
5 plus plus. Wonderful. If they bring those to the U.S., I'll be buying them.
The next one up is the Raspberry Blast Kit Kat. And this one is from the United Arab Emirates. It doesn't taste too much like raspberry. It's nice.
I think I'd give it a 3. It's okay.
Yeah, 3. There's like little chunks of something in there. You taste the chunks?
Chunks of raspberry, probably. Next we have a crunchy Kit Kat salted caramel, and this comes from the UK.
I've always wanted to go to the UK.
Me too. Smells good.
It's big.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's why they call it chunky, because it's big.
Here.
Show them how big it is. Like the thickness.
That's good.
That's good.
You can definitely taste the caramel. Oh, I'm sorry. Salted caramel fudge.
Oh.
Okay.
I
It
just
tastes
taste
really good.
I just taste the caramel.
It's a little on the sweet side. If you don't like your candies that sweet, you might not like it.
I really like that. I gave it a 5.
Me too. Very good.
The next one up is Snickers Fruit and Nut. This one comes from India.
Okay.
It's little.
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite candy is the Snickers.
Ooh, it kind of looks like a Twix. Show them the top. With that detail.
Okay.
It looks like a Snickers. It says it has nuts, raisins, chocolate, caramel, and nougat.
I like that a lot.
Me too. I don't really taste the raisins, but it's good.
I give it a 5.
4 for me.
It tastes really similar to the regular Snickers. But you can taste like little bits and pieces of like the raisins. They're not whole raisins, they're like little bits. That's good.
Next we have Snickers Cashew, which also comes to us from India. It's also kind of small. So, ooh, and it was broken. That's what it looks like inside. Smells salty from the cashews.
It's good. I didn't like it as much as the fruit and nut, but
Fruit and nut has a different flavor.
it's good. I give it a 4.5.
Think a 4 for me.
I'm really excited about this one. It's the Hersheys Strawberries and Cream. And this one is from Malaysia.
Yeah, I'm excited about that one too. So instead of cookies and cream, it's strawberries and cream.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it tastes. Interesting concept.
Smell it. Smells really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
That smells familiar.
It's a nice pink color.
Oh wow.
It kind of tastes like the Valentine's candies.
You can see strawberry pieces in it.
It's like a crunchy, like
Kind of like a
crunchy
crunch.
element in there.
Like
What
a
is
crunch. Strawberry
Oh.
flakes.
Oh.
White chocolate with strawberry flakes.
They freeze dried.
I think so. This is really good. I think I'd give it a 4.5. Very good.
I think I would give it a 3. Next, we're gonna do Snickers White Limited Edition Lemon flavor. This is from Malaysia too.
So, apparently in Malaysia they like fruity flavors with their chocolate. It would appear. Oh, it definitely
I don't like that.
smells like lemon.
What is that flavor?
Lemon and caramel. I don't think lemon and caramel go together.
No.
No?
What's that flavor? Let's see. What is that? Tastes like turmeric? Or
That's a 0 for me.
like the back of my throat is getting kind of like a minty taste or minty sensation. I don't know. It's weird.
I'm not seeing anything like that in here.
Weird.
It mostly is not in English though, so.
Is it parsley?
I'm not sure about that one.
I didn't like it at all. Sorry.
What do you give it?
0.
Okay, the last candy we're going to try today is Kit Kat Chunky Cookie Dough. And this comes from Switzerland. Cookie dough is one of my favorite ice cream flavors, so I'm really excited for this. It's
Ooh,
like
that's
hard
a
to break.
chunky one too.
Yeah. Doesn't really smell like cookie dough.
No, it smells like coffee or like a toasted something.
I'm not sure about that. It's really sweet.
It kind of tastes like caramel.
It looks like this in the inside, by the way. You can kind of see the cookie dough chunks in there.
It tastes caramel. I don't taste cookie dough. I like it.
Maybe I'd give it a 3.
Give it a 5.
Okay. Do you have an overall favorite?
The fruit and nut Snickers from India was my favorite one.
The salted caramel Kit Kat, salted caramel fudge Kit Kat was my favorite
Yeah, that
candy.
One was
I think my favorite chips were the. Oh well, if we're counting these as chips, it would be the Ritz S'mores sandwiches. They were really good.
good. My favorite chip was the seasonal grains and yogurt from Turkey.
Those are really good. Let us know in the comments below if you've had any of these. If you're from any of these countries and you've had them.
Yeah. I'll link the shop that I got all of these from down in the description if you want to try them too.
That's all for us today. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe.
So you can be part of our world too.
Bye.
Bye.